Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. So something a little different today. We're going to be adding the Do Not Die mod to this here old Fender Bassman amplifier. So stay tuned. We're going to make this amp so it does not kill you. It's going to be fun. See you in a bit. All right. So first, before we even get going, incoming Bosch. But really first is that this is not going to be, this isn't a how-to. Okay, I'm gonna show how I do it, but I do not advise anyone screwing around with their own amplifiers because I am not responsible for you sticking your fingers in an old tube amp and, you know, touching an old cap and getting hurt. So I'm saying don't do this on your own. That's what I'm saying, okay? Great. Glad we had this talk. Okay, get this out of here. So why we're doing this is to get rid of this, the old two-pronger, and what we're also doing is we're gonna put in this, a regular EEC connector, so we don't have to have the cable all wound up. These are just a hazard when they're stuck to the back of the amp like this. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna remove this the output plug here because we also don't need that. Nobody's gonna plug anything into this amp. Just asking for noise issues if you do that. Anyway, that out of the way. And let's see. Let's take these tubes out. I don't want to break these tubes. Let's take these right out before we do this. And you just, spread them and pull. And that's definitely what she said. All right, anything else in there breakable? Nope. Good. This is a 67, 8? I really don't know. And drop these little nuts out of there. And I'm not a full-fledged amplifier technician, but I can replace parts. I've built a couple of amps. One of them I found out our new tech actually bought and still uses. I made a Marshall 2203 clone, 100 watt, ridiculously loud. Loudest amp I ever heard. I kind of wish I had it back. All right, let's get these out. Let's put all our parts back here so we don't lose things. Way over here. All right, I don't think the hand, nope, good. So, check this out, huh? Come out. It's hung up on the Tolex. There we go. Okay. Put this over here. And that. Make sure we're not going to break anything. Nope, good. Here we go. It's kind of neat, huh? This old Bassman circuit here. You guys want a better view? Okay. Looks pretty original. Those have been changed. Let's see. What else has been done? And this is going to be, I think he's going to master volume mod it. I'm not going to do that. We're going to take it up to a place up in Burlington, Vermont, FYD Amps. Mr. Dan Lurie is going to do that part, but I'm going to just so we can use it. Till then, I'm going to put on the Do Not Die switch. And we're going to do that. We're going to take out this power receptacle and put in the switch, or the plug. All right, sound good? Cool. All right, so right here is where the action is going to be happening. And what we're going to do is we are going to, let's just go right ahead and do it. Soldering iron's heating up. Oh, it's hot. It's ready to go. Oh, there we go. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to snip this off right here. I'm doing that so I can remember which side which is on, so I don't have to think. That way it's easier. It's disconnected, and we gotta squeeze these little things. You gotta squeeze them from the back with some, let's see, these work. If you can get slip joint pliers, nope, can't. So needle nose. I'm sure they make a special tool for this, but let's see. We gotta turn it a little bit. Oh, you get it from the front. You can get this one from the front. I'm dumb. Just like this. Oh. Okay, grab. Come on, pliers. There we go. I'm dumb. And we're going to take this and set it aside. He can keep it for vintage purposes. And then we're going to take this out. Oops. Do we want? Maybe I'll turn this around. That might be better. Here, let's work on this. I think this might work better for everyone involved. That way, yeah, that'll work. Let's see. You guys can see. I can see. Everybody can see. Cool. Oh, I need a new. Let's see. Will this have enough? Yeah, that should have enough. And then I'm going to ground over to here, so I need to find myself a ground wire. Hold right on. I'll be back. All right, let's get that disconnected. And where am I? A little needle nose. All right. Let's, oop, come on off there. There we go. There's one. Oop, sorry, blocking you guys. Come on. Let's go. There we go. There's two. Okay, tilt that back. Swing back for a second. There we go. You guys don't need extreme close. Where's how am I doing it with my hand? Where's the Bosch? That is so much better. Okay. All right, what's going on here? Was this stuck? Why? Okay, just needs a little help. Come on out. Come on. You can do it. There we go. There, got it. All right, is this gonna fit without any modifications? Oh, look at that. Sweet. Okay. Love it when a plan comes together. Anybody? Let's see, will these screws even work? No, I want different screws. Let's put these screws back with that part. And we'll keep that part with the cable. Oh no, that won't. Okay. Well, that's all right. Put it over there. All right. And let me find the correct screws for these. Hold on, be right back. All right, it's a lot harder than you'd think to find some matching screws. Which way should we orient this thing? I don't think it makes a big difference, right? Like that? How about we go like this? All right, okay. Look at that, that's gonna work beautifully, right? Oops, you guys are in the way a little bit. There we go. Put the other side in. Come on. Oh, a little off center. Okay, come on. Oh! You guys almost watched me stab myself with the Bosch. Dang. Am I going to have to modify that a little bit? How about if I loosen that one up? Let's see if that works. I'd rather not drill holes in this thing. Oh, we might have to modify that just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's see if it fits any better if it's turned around. Sometimes... Oh, that'll work. Okay. All right, it's going in like this. Oh, sorry, bumping you guys again. That'll work? Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, we got it. Come on. There we go. Hey, all right. This is gonna work. Yeah. Sweet. All right. Check this out. Simple enough. Oh, we're gonna have enough room even. That would be even nicer if we could have enough room. Yeah, that one's gonna fit. That one's gonna fit. Yay! And then the ground can go there, because that's where the ground goes. Let's get a nice beefy ground wire. Right? Right. I'll solder those first. Then we'll put our beefy ground wire on there. All right, incoming solder. Camera? Whoop. Couldn't see. I was trying to see around the light and you guys. All right, there we go. That one's good. Let me give that one a little more room. That one's good. That one. There we go. That's better. I didn't want it like acting like it was pulling on it. That wouldn't be good. All right, here's that. Now the do not die part of our do not die mod. We are going to, I know it's white, but I didn't have any really thick, good, just a single conductor. I don't use this stuff for much other than, much else besides ground wires. So like that, like that. It's just gonna have to be white. There we go. Okay. And we are going to go right around here and join it to that one. So let's see, right like that. It'll be right there. Cool. And apologize if my hands are still dirty. I wrestled with a Ford Edge over the weekend. My wife's car needed brakes. So I did pads, rotors, and a master cylinder. That was a surprise fix that we didn't know was happening until it was needed. So that was fun, but my hands are all dirty from the works still, because, you know, I think I tried wearing gloves for like the first, I don't know, 10 minutes, and that did not last long. But I saved myself probably, I don't know, what's pads, rotors, master cylinder. Oh, and I did the sway bar end links also. Was all that. Those are nightmare fuel right there, just so you know, if you've never had the pleasure of doing sway bar end links in New England of a vehicle that's 10 years old. Anyway, enough about that. I think we're good. I think we have made this successfully a do not die amplifier. Yay. No dying involved. Let's plug it in and test it. I don't know if I have any good speakers here though. But yeah. All right, we'll stop for now. And if I find a good set of speakers, it's a shame we're in a shop and don't have any good speakers to test amps with. You'd think we would. Maybe there's something kicking around out back. It's functional. So we'll see. This could be the end of this video. Maybe not. I might do a little sound test. But thanks for watching. Appreciates it. Again, don't go poking around in here. You could die. Here, let's actually, before we do that, let's check the caps. I think I already did this on the sample once, but let's just see if these have been done yet. This is the other big thing that old tube amps definitely should have done. Just change your large capacitors. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, those have been done. I might have even done those, I can't remember. But yeah, that looks nice. And it's like a good solid amp. Maybe I'll take a peek now that I've I often like to, after I've done the actual work, just to kind of give a glance over to the rest of the amp. Look for obvious stuff, you know, loose solder connections. Anything like that. Potential problems. As long as we're in it, let's give it a spray out. Let's hit those tube sockets when we have it open. We'll deox it. And flip it over again. And we'll clean out all the pots. This is just good to do for old amps anyway, or anything really. But so just that's why a little bit of a curve at the end of your noodle there helps a lot. And that, get inside there. This has probably been done, but it's always good. These old amps like to be cleaned. Just any connection. Also scrub. Where's my scrubber? Where's my scrubber? These things work great for scrubbers. And clean out these. Oh, you guys can't see. Clean out that. Let's exercise all the connections, the switches, especially the ones that don't get moved. You know, that's what happens. You don't leave a switch for one position, then it gets bumped sometime, and it totally fails. It's best to have it fail right now in the shop. And see, oh yeah, see that right there looks questionable to me. We might investigate that spot here. Let's. As you can see, sometimes, you know, old connections, those look like they've been reflowed. That one looks questionable. Where's my magnifier? Well, let's see if maybe we can use you guys. Let's see, which one? Which one is it? That one looks questionable. See that? Maybe not. But I don't like it. I'm just gonna reflow that solder. There we go. And anything else? Did I see? Let's zoom back out. All right. Checking for any other connection issues. Looking at tube sockets. Oh, I don't think I cleaned that one, did I? Bias. I think that's the bias pot? I'm not sure. So I could be wrong in saying that, but that's okay. Do not die mod looks good. And connections here look good. I think we're okay. I don't see any other questionable connections or issues. Cool. All right. Anyway, hope you guys like it. A little different video. Again, don't go poking around your own amps. I'm not going to be responsible if you electrocute yourself. So be warned. But if you like this, like, subscribe. I appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in a bit. See ya. All right. I guess I'll put it back together. I should have done that before I closed out the video. But so if there's some weird editing, that's just because I was like, I don't know, I'm not done with this project. So like, I still have to put it back together. So let's put it back together. Okay, it was a long weekend. Let's blow this out. Let's see how much, here, ready? Let's see how much crap comes out of there. All right, let's swing over. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay. Again, if I was one that worked on this last, I'm sure I probably already did that. But, let's get back in here. Just like that. Just grab it right by the transformer. Come on. Whoop. Come on. There we go. There you go. Good job, Fender. Come on. There it is. Okay. You just kind of feel till it gets even to the front ridge there. Like that. Like that. And usually that means you're pretty much lined up. And you just go back in like that. Come on. Come on. Yep. Like that. And the biggest pain is this one, usually. I think it's this one, right? Yep. This one, because there's a transformer right there. All the other ones, these nuts, you just kind of reach in, just kind of hold it, and come on. Oh, there it goes. Okay, we don't need it up that high. All right, and we'll get this one just so the amp's setting pretty much all nice and even and level-ish. Okay. Okay. This one can be a little tricky because there's a tube right there, but it's not so bad. Again, this is where working on cars becomes very beneficial. I am very used to having to work around parts and pieces in the way. This one, sometimes you can get lucky. Let's see if I can get lucky and get it up on there. Oh, maybe I can on this one. This one might leave me a little more room. Oh yeah. Oh, this is not a problem. Oh, good. Yep, got it. Nice. Otherwise, I take masking tape and wrap it backwards around my finger so it sticks to it. And it's amp guy trick. Oop, don't pull on your soldering cable. That's not good. All right. And tubes back in the correct sockets. There we go. Come on. There we go. Kind of turn them until there's a little slotted piece there, and you just turn them until it lines up in the keyway. Alrighty then, and this will cover up the hole. Nice, I'm liking it. There's the screws. So now this amp has been officially made more safer than it was before. Alright, torque down. These things don't over torque these, they like to strip. So be gentle, be very gentle. Go. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Hold on. I'm gonna fix this right now. This bugs me about these. Hold on. Ready? Pause. Alright, that's what we're doing. Whoop. Finish washers. Go to Home Depot. Get yourself a pack of these. And put them on every Fender amp that you come across. Okay, it goes like this, and you flip them over, and like that, and like that, and then like that, and it keeps the Tolex from getting all bunched up, keeps the screws from pulling straight through, especially these old amps. It's a real simple thing. It'll make your Tolex last longer, makes your amps look better. Also, right? It's what, like $3 for that thing of 50 or 100 or whatever they are. 100. Look at that. So much nicer, huh? Right? Right? Look at that. All you Fender guys are gonna go right out and buy those now, right? Good, do it. It's okay. All right, let me see if I can find a speaker. Let's see if we can find a speaker. Spin that around. Okay. Look at this thing. Pretty minty, huh? Real nice condition. Look at all that crud down the bottom. Ew. All right, I gotta clean that. My OCD won't let me let that stay there. Let's take a little Taylor. This stuff's pretty low risk. Little Taylor guitar polish. Toothbrush. Get rid of all that crud on the bottom of that rail. It bugs me when that's all full of crud. Clean your amps, people. I'm not gonna go too crazy. But there we go. Oh, that's so much better. Nice. Okay. There's a lot of filth down there. All right. Let's see. Pause. Okay, we have found the one functional speaker in this shop, which is an old Yamaha, I think, PA speaker, but our amp tech, I borrowed his desk also. Let's see. We've got it hooked up, power connected. Let's see what happens. Ready, and hey, it's on. Let's let it warm up for a sec. We'll get you guys in the holder, and we'll find the guitar. Okay, hang on. Ready, pause. All right, we got our this old Ibanez with the fancy tailpiece. Hopefully it works. Plugged in. All right, let's see. Everything. Start with everything down, shall we? Down, 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 down. Okay, I mean those can stay up. I'm messing with your settings, Dan. And deep. We like it deep. All right. Hey, it's working. Ooh. It's got some bright, huh? Woo! Okay, that works. Damn. I think it's loud. Really loud. Let's see what happens when we do this one. Woo! Damn. That's why I need some master volume. Sorry, that was ridiculously loud. Damn. It works. Okay. I'm going to call this done. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the views and subscribes. Apologize if things are taking a minute for videos to come out. I was going through the YouTube verification processes. So, thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, and we'll catch you later. See ya!